Today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Gigabyte SSD solid state drive. It's just 240 gigabytes, but it's all we need for a PC that we've been building on the channel right here. Looking good, ain't it? So, this is basically just a normal SSD. You know, it's got read speeds up to 500 megabytes, sequence write to 420 megabytes. It's a SATA, and it's a internal SSD, not an external, because they do make them two different ways. So let's go ahead and open it up. So now that it's open, well, I thought it was open. Now it should be open. See what it looks like, because I ain't never seen a Gigabyte SSD in person, so I'm excited. Packaged very good. It just looks like a normal SSD. I figured it'd be like a Crucial with a very cool design or something, but nope, it just says Gigabyte. Kind of got the flat blackness of Evo drive would have to the looks of it, with the Gigabyte logo. January 2021 is when this was made. 240 gigabytes, so it will hold Warzone and an operating system. So let's just go ahead and install it into the computer, something you might want to enjoy watching. Since this is such a short unboxing video, give you a little extra content. So let's back this up. So let's grab our PC, take the side panels off of it. Since we got the new Gigabyte SSD, this tempered glass is heavy. Oh, very thick. Looks pretty good. Now, where we're going to mount this? We can mount it in the back, in the hard drive tray. But what I'm thinking of is just mounting it right here. Maybe under here, above the power supply. That looks pretty good. It ain't hidden. It says Gigabyte. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and put it there. I need a SATA cable. We got some. Whole bag full. Probably going with this angle one here. I mean, I do got black ones in, but we just wrap this in electrical tape because, you know, this is kind of a budget PC. Because we don't want the red. So let's just take us some black tape, put around that, make that look extremely good. Once we wrap it in black tape, we have a solid black SATA connection. And you don't have to wrap the whole cable in it neither. You could just wrap just a little bit. And this is better than painting your cables. I think that's all you're going to be able to see. So that should be all we need, because you ain't going to see the rest of it. Let's go ahead and hook it to the back of the drive here. Fit perfect. Boom, just like so. They do make these that lock in, but once you get these pretty quick in, and you get them knocked in pretty good, they ain't gonna go nowhere. We also need to hook the power up. So we got power, guys. If you can see, we got a power cable here. Let's just go ahead and plug it in. Be just true. I'm gonna put some Velcro on that. So we plug this in just like so. We are fully plugged in. Let's pull the cables back through and get a hard drive where we want it to set. I think it looks pretty good though. Mash it down, and if we ever need to use it again, boom, Velcro, easy to pull off. So, I just set that up there. Looks really good. Next, we'll be installing Windows in it. Yeah, Windows, guys. Windows. Because that's a new SSD. And that's a video for another time. You know, because that's what we do. We make videos that's helpful on this channel, and videos you can enjoy. So, if this was something you enjoyed watching, if this SSD is something you've been looking into buying, maybe you wanted to see how it looks cosmetic, or what the read and write speeds was, then hopefully this video was for you and helpful. So, if you're new, get subscribed. check my channel back 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Every single day there should be a new video on. Sometimes a little bit earlier than 8:30. But I always have one on. I try my best before 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. See you next time.